Beforehand, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Namsa with NIM 2022-8149, Class A1 Management Study Program. First of all, I will describe about this very genius character, then the reason I really admire the character. Just come in.
Baik banget, Masya Allah. Ya kalau pinter, semua orang tahu lah beliau, Masya Allah, jenius ya, pinter banget.
Yang sih sebenarnya mentor buat banyak orang.
Sangat menginspirasi.
Beliau adalah seorang cendekiawan dan juga pemimpin bangsa.
Yeah, Baharudin Yusuf Habibie, or more familiarly called B.J. Habibie, has changed the view of millions of people through his love story with the famous Hasri Ainun Besari through the film Habibie and Ainun. But make no mistake, not only is his love story able to stir up feelings, his passion for life has also made many people amazed and inspired by him. Profesor Dr. Ing Haji Baharudin Yusuf Habibie was born in Parepare, South Sulawesi, June 25, 1936 and died in Jakarta, September 11, 2019 at the age of 83. Previously, B.J. Habibie served as the 7th Vice President of the Republic of Indonesia, replacing Tri Sutrisno. B.J. Habibie replaces Suharto, who resigned from the presidency on May 25, 1998. Though many president of Indonesia, B.J. Habibie is the only president who comes from ethnic Gorontalo, Sulawesi from his father's lineage who came from Kabila Gorontalo, and ethnic Javanese from his mother who come from Yogyakarta. Currently, the provincial government of Gorontalo has initiated the construction of the B.J. Monument Habibie in front of the main gate of Jalaluddin Airport, Gorontalo district. In addition, the people of Gorontalo province has suggested the name B.J. Habibie is used as the name of the local state university, replacing the name Gorontalo State University, which is still in use. Baharudin Yusuf Habibie is a figure of the nation's children who are very instrumental in advancing his country. The President of the Tree Republic of Indonesia is even widely known as a genius and visionary figure. He even got the title Father of Indonesian Technology. The fact suggests Habibie was one of the first generation of aerospace sent by the first President of the Republic of Indonesia, Sukarno, to learn to make aircraft around the world. Habibie does have a great interest in science and technology. From young age, he even won various achievements and awards both from within and outside the country. Young Habibie is now to be increasingly interested in the world of airplanes and aviation engines while studying at the Engineering Faculty of Bandung Institute of Technology. Habibie is the only Indonesian on the list of geniuses with highest IQ in the world. Habibie is known to have an IQ of 200, exceeding Albert Einstein's IQ of 116, and is the only Indonesian who made it onto the list. Habibie returned to Indonesia and succeeded in proving the ability of the Indonesian people to assemble their own aircraft at the time. In my opinion, he was not only known for being tenacious, but Habibie we also known to have a very genius brain. Even his staff often surprised and impressed everyone. What impressed me the most about the figure of B.J. Habibie, namely, he uses his time only for study, work, and worship. For him, studying in earnest will be the key for him to be able to work someday, so that he can repay his mother's hard work to send him to school. His strong conviction, although he often gets ridicule from his own friends, Habibie has a humble nature and is very close to society. He is willing to devote his whole life for the sake of his country, even though his existence is more valued in Germany. Habibie also has a loving and romantic nature, and it's not its foreign to Mr. Habibie's love story and his wife Ainun. This is what makes me really amazed at Mr. Habibie himself. The following are Habibie's works that make Indonesian proud. Aircraft was the idea of Habibie using the quadrant which means Nusantara indicates the design. Production and calculation were carried out Indonesian or even Nurtanio, who was the founder and pioneer of the aviation industry in Indonesia. Habibie has also participated in the design of the Transall C-130 military transport aircraft. B.J. Habibie also took part in the creation of the Do-31 aircraft. Thank you.
Seusai itu, senja jadi sendu, awan pun mengabu. Kepergianmu menyisakan duka dalam hidupku. Ku meminta rindu, menyesali waktu. Mengapa dahulu tak ku ucapkan aku mencintaimu sejuta kali.
Ragam di Taman Pahlawan bersama para pahlawan bangsa lain. Di mana ada Ainun, ada Habibie. Di mana ada Habibie, ada Ainun. Tetap menunggal, menyatu, dan tak terpisahkan lagi sepanjang masa.
Kamu itu pemimpin negara. Kalau kamu tidak bisa pimpin tubuhmu sendiri, bagaimana kamu memimpin tubuh 200 juta orang?
Kamu dan segala kenangan menyatu dalam waktu yang berjalan. Dan aku kini sendirian menatap dirimu, hanya bayangan.
Rudi, kamu lihat itu? Kamu lihat itu mata air? Kamu harus jadi seperti mata air. Kalau kamu baik, pasti juga di sekitarmu akan baik. Tapi kalau kamu kotor, pasti juga di sekelilingmu akan mati.
Kak, oke.
Saya tidak tahu ternyata itu membuat